case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit in 2007, Fuji Photo Film Co and Jack Benun appealed against the International Trade Commission's decision regarding civil penalties for violating a cease and desist order issued to Jazz Photo Corp. At issue was whether civil penalties could be imposed for violating the order and if standing was required to appeal the penalties. The dispute arose after Jazz Photo Corp failed to provide evidence of permissible repair for many of the cameras it sold. The Commission had originally ruled that the replacement of full backs on certain cameras constituted impermissible reconstruction. However, the majority of cameras in question were found to have been first sold abroad, leading the court to conclude that the Commission had erred in its ruling on impermissible reconstruction related to the replacement of full backs. Fuji and Jack Benun's appeal was challenged on several fronts. The court determined that Fuji had no standing to bring the appeal, given that Jazz was in liquidation and there was no risk of future violations. At the same time, the court found that the Commission had the authority to issue an order against Benun and that adequate notice had been provided. The court's final decision hinged on several key findings. First, it determined that Fuji lacked standing for appeal. Second, it upheld the Commission's authority to issue an order against Benun with adequate notice. Third, it found that Jazz had failed to prove permissible repair for many of the cameras sold. Finally, the court agreed with the Commission on the issue of impermissible reconstruction, except for those cases involving the replacement of full backs. As a result, the court affirmed and reversed certain aspects of the ruling, remanding the case for a recalculation of civil penalties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.